Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share one of the most popular dishes in India. We're going to make this delicious Chole Bhature. Now I've made several Chole recipes earlier. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. Today I'm going to show you how to make this big, beautiful, perfect Bhatura. So let's get started and check it out. So first I'm going to mix the dough for the Bhatura. For this I've taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is Maida. Now this is a 250 ml cup measurement. Next I'm adding half cup of Semolina, that is Sooji rava. This is a 125 ml cup measurement. To this I'm adding half teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of sugar and quarter teaspoon of cooking soda. So first let's just mix all this together. Take a nice wide bowl like this for mixing, it will be very easy. Next I'm adding 1 cup of curd. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. After adding the curd, gently mix everything together. So you want the dough to be a bit soft. You don't want it to be too tight or hard. So just gradually incorporate the water, little at a time, and mix the dough. So if the dough becomes a little sticky like this, because it tends to release moisture due to the curd, then you can just adjust it by adding a little flour. Just dust it with a little flour and you can knead the dough. Knead the dough for about 2 to 3 minutes till it's nice and soft. So you can see the dough has come together beautifully. It's nice and soft and it's not sticky anymore. Close the bowl. Let the dough sit for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the bowl and add about 1 teaspoon of ghee. Just rub it all over the dough and just knead it in. The dough is ready for making the Bhature. Let's divide the dough into equal size balls. So you can shape them however you want. You can take large ones or small dough balls depending on what size of bhatures you want. I'm taking a little larger dough balls. Now we've divided the dough balls. Let's start rolling them and making the bhatures. Just slightly sprinkle some flour on the rolling surface. Place the dough ball, gently press it and start rolling it out. You don't want to roll it too thin or too thick. Just a medium thickness will be good. Roll out each dough ball in this manner and deep fry them. Pour enough oil to the kadai and heat it well. Once the oil is nice and hot, gently slide in the prepared rolled out bhatura. So you can see the bhaturas puffing up slowly. Wow, just look at that, it looks absolutely gorgeous. So once it puffs up like this, gently flip it to the other side. Once it's cooked on both sides, remove from the hot oil and serve it nice and hot. Prepare all the bhaturas in this manner and make sure to enjoy them while they are still hot with this delicious chole. Wow, just look at those big, beautiful golden bhaturas. It's just so perfect. Make sure to follow all the steps that I've told you guys in this video to get them perfectly. I couldn't wait to try these hot bhaturas with that beautiful chole. There you go. Fabulous, just one word. I've stuffed my mouth so I'm not able to speak, but it's just too good. Extremely tasty. You don't want to miss this recipe, guys. That bhatura was just perfect. It's cooked beautifully, and that combination of chole and bhature is just divine. Well, you don't want to miss this, guys, so do give it a try. Enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.